The use of hardened washers is outlined starting on page 6-381 of the LRFD manual. However, generally, but not always, washers are called for as follows when the bolt is in a standard size hole or short slot. For A325 bolts, if a washer is used, one washer is placed under the turning element, either the head or the nut, generally the nut. For A490 bolts, one washer is placed under both the head and the nut, if the material being joined has a yield strength of less than 40 ksi. Table 8-1, page 8-8 in your LRFD Manual Volume 2, shows the compatibility of high-strength bolts, nuts, and washers. Washers are circular, square, or tapered. The circular washer is the most common washer used, while the tapered washer is used when the surface being bolted has a sloped surface, such as the flange of a channel or an S shape. In this case, the washer is tapered in order to accommodate this slope. Washers are discussed in Table 8-2, page 8-11 of your LRFD Manual Volume 2. Bolts perform their function in two ways. The first way is called a bearing connection. The bearing condition is the result of the plies of material being fastened, slipping slightly under load, so that the shank of the bolt bears on the material being fastened. Thus, the load is resisted by the high-strength bolt bearing against the holes in the connecting materials. This type of condition may also be referred to as a snug-tight bearing connection.